Good evening, kids. Hope you all are fit and fine. So please open your books in front of you. Today we start with the third chapter from part B, Political Theory, Equality. Clear, guys? As you know that we start our class with the mind map. So here is a mind map. The main chapter name is equality, and we have to cover in this chapter these important points. Why does equality matter? What is equality? Equality of opportunities, natural and social inequalities, 3 dimensions of equality, affirmative actions, formal equalities, socialism, feminism, apartheid. Apartheid term also known as racism. Clear, guys? Well, after this mind map, we are just going to start with the topic, that is equality. Clear? So first module, why does equality matter? Clear? So in this we have to be focused on, already I have highlighted for you, equality is a powerful moral and political ideal for many centuries. It is implicit in all faiths and religions which proclaim all human beings to be creation of God. As a political ideal, the concept of equality invokes the idea that all human beings have an equal worth regardless of their color, gender, race or nationality. It maintains that human beings deserve equal consideration and respect because of their common humanity. It is this notion of a shared humanity that lies behind, for instance, the notions of universal human rights or crimes against humanity. In the modern period, the equality of all human beings has been used as a rallying slogan in the struggle against states and social institutions which uphold inequalities of rank, wealth, status or privilege among people. In the 18th century, the French revolutionaries used the slogan liberty, equality and fraternity. Mark it. Here you also know that you studied in your 9th standard about the Russian Revolution and French Revolution. Clear? In French Revolution, when we read that chapter, here they demanded from the ruler of that Louis XVI, people demanded the slogan after retaining the freedom from the monarchy rule, like liberty, equality and fraternity. Liberty means freedom in every aspect, like the fundamental rights. Equality means when they have no discrimination on the basis of caste, color, creed. Fraternity means feeling of brotherhood, when we have a feeling to share each and everything without any selfish means, to revolt against the landed feudal aristocracy and the monarchy. The demand for equality was also raised during the anti-colonial liberation struggles in Asia, and during the 20th centuries it continues to be raised by struggle groups such as, here I will clear you from already, these are the quotations, let's do it already, it clears na, that everyone I know believe in a religion, every religion I know preaches equality. Preaches means to teach, whether we belong to Sikh religion, whether we belong to Hindu religion, Christian religion, Muslim religion, Islamic. Basically their main thing is that every religion teaches, one, that humanity is the main thing, and secondly, equality. Nobody should be discriminated on the basis of caste, color, creed. Everyone is equal and there should be no inequality in this world. But still we can see that many differences are there, many inequalities emerge. We get to know about this answer while reading this chapter. Clear? So move to next page, women or Dalits. Guys, as I already cleared you in the previous chapter also, we get to know that women and Dalits means that untouchables, they both considered as a weaker section in the society who feel marginalized in our society. Today equality is a widely accepted ideal which is embodied in the constitution and laws of many countries. But due to when we are discussed about the things that today